good one right there. There it is, y'all. That's fresh meat right there. Fresh meat. My man got the fresh meat on there. Fresh meat.
On the road with Kell. Let's go.
Yeah, we on the road traveling. We on the road traveling. We on the road traveling with Kell. We on the road traveling. We on the road.
Meat man coming in. Meat man coming. Good video. Unloading y'all, and I have to keep pressing. This video keeps going out, but there you go, the real deal. Real deal, y'all. What's up? Hold one up for me. Live and direct. Let me see one, brother. Come to hold one. For the camera. Yes, sir. Let me see my man. My man. Here. Let me see one. See a good one right there. There it is, y'all. That's fresh meat right there. Fresh meat. My man got the fresh meat on deck.
Fresh meat.
Fresh meat. There you go. You're gonna see it. It's gonna be on YouTube. Look at that, y'all. They're waiting on this meat. Oh, they got the feet too. Got the feet too. Very interesting. Look at that, y'all. Yes, sir. Nairobi doing his real deal. Got in there. Oh, that's the organs. And we're gonna see all this on the inside, y'all, but getting y'all front row access to the boys getting it in today. I talk too fast. I can understand they don't know what I'm talking about. Talk so fast. There you go. My man. What's your name?
My name is James Kenyan.
Okay, how long you been driving the meat wagon? How long? You the meat man, huh? You drive the meat wagon?
For how long? 10 years.
10 years. Look, y'all, 10 years my man been doing the meat wagon. We'll get at you, my boss. Take it easy. There it is. Come on in here, Butch. Oh man, what the hell is that?
The gut.
The throat?
Yeah, the throat.
Oh man, y'all, look at this right here. And then the nasty stuff. Oh my God.
The
People
parts and the
actually
organs.
eat this stuff. Oh
Yeah.
my God.
Those are the parts and the organs.
Time to go to heads. There we go. The meat man then delivered.
Yeah.
The meat man then delivered. All right, so I'm going in here. Having a few technical difficulties with the camera. But I got to fix. I gotta do a factory reset. That's what I gotta do. But in the meantime, I'm gonna turn around and you're gonna see they got that boiling and well, they over there cutting some stuff up. y'all. The stuff we put in our bodies. I got a big pot right here.
They first weigh it, they clean it, then they weigh it so that they can put in the large pot to boil for the soup.
Gotcha.
These are the organs, the lungs, and the fats. The lungs,
There we go. A little bit of rain.
Yeah.
That's the lungs and all that part. And he said they're gonna
The
clean it.
organs. They clean it, they weigh it so that they can take it to the big pot there, and it's going to boil together.
Gotcha. I don't understand my man way, but here we go. All right, y'all see they getting the bucket together and clean the organs out. Dump them in there. All right, y'all, we back in business. Sitting here about to make what? So they're about to make some sausage. What kind of sausage is they making?
Mutura.
Mutura.
Sausage, yeah.
Yeah, it's Kenyan sausage, and y'all see early in the video the cow done got delivered. And now they making it in. Them look like chitlins right there.
Those are the fats.
The fat. Oh, that's the
Fats and
fat.
the organs so that it can be tender and more juicy.
You said it makes them juicier.
Yeah, it makes it more juicy and more tender.
I got you.
The same quantity they're using, almost the same as the one that are being used to the sausages.
Okay, I
But
got
this
you.
one, because of the fats, yeah. That one is homemade sausages, homemade African or Kenyan, that is.
Look at that shot right there, y'all. For these organs. I want to know everything. So what you got going? What's your what are you working on?
Yeah,
I said, what do you work on?
I'm washing utensils.
Oh, you wash the utensils. Is that all you do?
Yeah.
Oh,
And
you-
serve this one.
Oh, and you serve.
Yeah,
When it's time, when everything is fixed, you serve.
yeah. I
Okay,
serve customers.
I got you. I got you. And what's your name, beautiful?
Yeah.
It's beautiful. Your name?
Beatrice.
Beatrice. Oh, so I was close. I said beautiful, and you said Beatrice. Marimbo. That's how you say it in
Marimbo,
Kenya,
Miss
right?
Chana.
Yeah. Okay, I got you. Yeah, here we go. But she said she washed dishes and then she served. She made the salad. He hooking it up over there.
Yeah.
He hooking it up. Getting burnt up by the fire.
legs.
There it is. My man right there. What's your name, brother? What's your name? Mundi. All right, Mundi. Mungi. Mwangi.
Moss.
Moss. There it is. I'm going to call you Moss. Mr. Moss. And you are?
I'm so.
Sunshine.
Mudoni. Maria, in short, Maria.
Oh, Maria.
My name is Maria.
But how do you say the whole thing? Maria what?
Maria Mudoni.
Maria
Mudoni.
Matoni. Maria Matoni.
yeah.
One word. One name.
Two.
Oh, the
She have two names. Maria Mudoni.
Maria Matoni.
Yeah.
All righty. They ain't just say Maria. They said Maria Matoni.
Maria
They
Mudoni.
said we're going to name her Maria Matoni. My name is Kell.
Kell.
Yes. Kelly. Everybody in Kenya call me Kelly, though. I say Kelly. They say Kelly. No.
Kelly.
Kell, not Kelly.
Kell.
Yeah, Kell. Look at this, y'all. Look at this. I have never grabbed. Can I grab?
Yeah, you can.
I have never. I don't even know if I want to touch this or not. Let's see this. Oh, you got some gloves or something?
No.
No gloves. Just hold it here.
Yep.
Yeah, just
Like
for
this.
the ears.
Oh man, look at this, y'all. Look at this. This is. Let me get some good light on this. So y'all can see what I'm out here holding. Y'all see this?
This one.
Yeah. This is in motion. Here you go. One at a time.
Open your account.
Y'all say I got a big head. It's my head big. Who got a bigger head, me or the cow?
Damu.
Who got a bigger head, me or the cow?
Sio damu.
Here. I don't want it to drop. Oh yeah, I need this as short.
I was looking for the light.
Yeah, I need this for a short. I got it. Everybody say I got a big head. Is my head bigger than this head? Are you recording? Let's go. We in Kenya, y'all. About to get it in. About to make some soup or some sausage. Now let me put this thing down. I don't know what it is. Yeah, he said sausage, right?
Mutura. Mutura, not sausage.
Oh, Mutura. I said sausage. She said Mutura, not no sausage. Yeah, let me hold the foot now.
Anakwanga Japan.
You want to wash your hands?
Please. Let me get this. Now let me hold the foot first.
You hold it first.
Oh man, it's soft. I don't know why I thought it was gonna be hard. And look, it got meat on it too. So is meat here? Of course. Oh, so he burned? Okay, see y'all, that is the second rendition, but he's sitting there and getting that stuff off. And y'all know I'm out here, and there we go. Fascinated by the little small stuff. Somebody gonna be eating this in a little while. Won't be me. Somebody gonna be eating that later, and it won't be me.
Why?
The Mutura, I tried before. I don't like that.
What do you eat?
Regular sausage.
Sausage.
Regular.
Regular sausage.
Yeah, regular.
Not Mutura?
No, regular sausage. Look, regular. You understand? No, I made, but I tried before. I didn't like it. It's not good.
But if you try this one, hey, you
So
like
sweet.
it.
Nice.
You
I
like
don't listen. I don't care if Jesus come make the Mutura here. I'm not gonna like no Mutura. That sausage is not good. I'm gonna try, but I don't know if I'm gonna like it. I'll be right back. Uh-oh, y'all, we missing out. We missing out. Then he getting it in. Look at this, y'all. We missing out. So all of this goes in the sausage.
Yes.
And the Mutura. All of this goes in the Mutura. This the sausage you made. The Mutura?
This one.
It's, huh? It's for what? Oh, for the dogs. Oh man, he said this is for.
We shall find it. We cut it.
So you just give it to the dog?
Yes, we give it to the dog.
Any dog or your dog, or you sell it for people for their dog? Wow. Wow, that is interesting. He said they sell it. It's dog food. He said they give it to the dogs. I was looking, I said, man, you put that in the sausage too? Or the Mutura? He said, nah, that's for the dogs. So they take the whole cow and make it work, y'all. Make everything work. This is the amazing experience. And then y'all see everything is just set up. So y'all do this, y'all get the so y'all get this every day, same thing.
Yeah, we do this every day.
And basically you feed the animals and then you make food here and you feed people here.
Yeah.
A restaurant.
Yeah.
So okay. So every morning y'all get cows and y'all do this.
Yeah.
Gotcha. Interesting stuff, my brother. Very interesting, y'all. They got the process going every day. Same deal. The meat man come and
This restaurant has less than here for more than 25 years.
you said what?
This one. This business has been here for
Oh, for 5 years.
25 years.
25 years. Oh, okay. Is it a family business or
This
no
is a
family?
personal business. That man has come with these things. He's the owner of the business.
the meat man?
Yeah.
Oh, the guy that dropped the meat off.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So he the owner.
He's the owner of the business.
Gotcha. So he go get the meat, bring it, and y'all make it work. Everybody got their own little. I'm gonna do this, that. What's she doing? Why they right there? Why you put them right there?
I'm going to burn them.
You gonna burn them
Yeah.
for fire?
Yeah, with this. This one. I'm going to use this one.
And then you burn them. What you gonna do with them?
I put them inside here.
Inside of the soup.
Yeah.
Okay, but you're gonna burn them. So you burn the germs and the dirt and all that. Then you put them. Okay.
No, I will definitely wash them.
Yeah, I know that, but I'm
Yeah.
just saying how how it's just a little bit different. Y'all cooking style, that's good. I'm just learning. She said, no, I'm gonna wash them off. I understand, but I just see them sitting right there, y'all, and I'm sure it's gonna be good. I'm gonna eat some and try and let you know. Yeah, I'm gonna eat something. I'm gonna try something
When?
today. Today I'm gonna try something. Yeah, I don't know what it's gonna be, but I'm gonna try something. Look at this, y'all. These organs and them boys is making it work over here. Look at this. HD, y'all.
You made that American sausage.
You said sausage
This one.
right there.
These are cow intestine.
Cow
We
intestines.
shall use them to
Chitlins, y'all. You say cow intestines. Them chitlins, cow chitlins. Oh, you use that for the tube for the sausage, the casings, right?
Casing, yeah.
Okay. So look, y'all, everybody
So
eat
natural.
sausage. This is where the casing comes from, right here.
The natural casing.
Natural casing. I'm sitting here saying what I will eat and what I won't eat, and all the time, I am actually eating this stuff. Wow. Look at this, y'all. I'm still amazed at all of this stuff right here.
You know what is inside here?
What's in there? Blood.
Yeah, the blood inside there.
The blood. For real?
Yeah. Animal.
Wow. What do they use the blood for? The sausage too?
the process of making mutura.
So in the process of making the mutura, they use the blood also. The blood.
Oh yeah, I know. That's why I don't like them in Mutura. I don't like that. They can have that.
That's pancreas.
It's the pancreas. Look
So
at this, y'all.
we give, they want to put this one in the pot now so that they can boil. That's what.
Alright, so they go to big boiling. Remember a little bit of water in there, but y'all see how big it is. It's pretty big. They're going this way. It goes down that right there. It go down right there, don't it?
Yep.
That's where the magic happens.
So you want to put them right now. That msaidie kushika ama
Anaosha.
We on the road traveling. We on the road traveling. We on the road traveling with Kell.